Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you my pet room setup. If you want to check out any of the products I discussed in this video, just check out the links I have in the description below this video. I'll start off with the auto feeder. I did modify it and make this little retaining wall to hold it in place because they like to go on top of this thing and knock it over, and when they rough play, they'll sometimes knock it over. So the next thing that's awesome is this water fountain here. So they can drink by themselves, but it's very tiring. Excuse me, Nala. It's very tiring to keep on refilling it. So this thing holds a bunch of water and you can just refill it when you need to. Usually every 5 days we refill it, but you just lift this up right here and then refill the water from over here. But it also has a filter, and then you can see the water level right there. But yeah, they love that thing. Oh yeah, going back to this auto feeder, so this gets refilled like maybe every 2 weeks or so. And we have it dispensed like twice a day. And then in between that, we feed them soft food. So the third thing that makes life easier mainly is this auto litter cleaner. And this thing is amazing. I've tried a litter robot. I've tried a bunch of other ones on the market. This thing does a great job, doesn't waste a bunch of litter, and you can set up really easy with the Wi-Fi and connect it to your app on your phone. And basically, it just kind of turns over like this, dumps everything out, and it falls down into this little container, and there's no smell at all. But you can see right here, that's mostly pee, and then this is some poop. And you just dump that usually every, I'd say 5 days. And we have 3 cats. So this is Casey. He's saying hello to somebody. And then this is Nikki. And then that's Nala. She's drinking over here by the fountain. Don't be shy to drink, I'm sorry. She gets distracted easily. But yeah, I'm trying to catch her drinking from the fountain. There we go. Do your thing. But yeah, and then the fourth last thing is this kind of Roomba. This thing is awesome. It cleans up this whole room. And we set it to usually 10 a.m. Every day. I'm going to try to set up for like 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. So, oh, he wants to scratch my shoes. Hurry up, Casey. There we go. So this is, let me show you what this thing has collected so far. So you just lift it up right here, pull this out, and it has a little filter, and then this is where all the hair collects. So this is after about 3 days, and I'm gonna dump this here shortly, but you can see all the hair. They get very curious. Hello. That's all y'all's hair. Yeah, so you just dump this out, and then you can just close that and then just drop it back inside here, just like that. If y'all have any questions at all about the items in this room, I just want to do a quick little overview, quick little summary of the cat room products that make my life so much easier. And like I said, I can actually take vacations or be away and don't have to worry about refilling water or refilling food or cleaning the room, and especially the litter, that's automated. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching. Say bye-bye now.